Thank you, sir. Respected chairperson, chief guest, the judges, all the teaching staff, brothers, sisters, and my beloved friends. Today, it's me, Raksha Bogati, as the representative member of class 10 from Greenhouse, going to deliver a speech on the topic of pros and cons of province government in Nepal. Before entering in the topic, I would like to thank the TVJBS members to participate to give opportunities to participate in this program. So without wasting any more time, I would like to enter in my topic. There are three types of government. First one is federal government, second one is province government, and third one is local government. Province government is the layer of government which is established for the development of province. The establishment of province is significant steps towards the decentralization and local empowerment. It has brought power and decision-making authority closer to the people at the local level. Now, here are some advantages of province government in Nepal. Firstly, decentralization allows more participations and involve each people of a government at their specific needs and priorities. In province government, there is an opportunity to actively participate in a decision-making process and hence to develop the nation. Secondly, it can ensure the effective administration and provide services to the people at their basic needs. It creates good governance. The establishment of province government in Nepal is for preservation and promotions of culture, cultural heritage, tourism, etc. There are several advantages of province government in Nepal, but there are also some disadvantages which should be considered. First, one of the major challenges or disadvantages of province government in Nepal is their limited financial resources. They are depending on federal government for funding. The more the government, the more the corruption. It means that if we increase or develop the government, it will also increase the corruption, which may cause a social problem in our country. In these poor countries like Nepal, they cannot afford this three layer of government. In conclusion, I would like to say that province government and central government are connected with each other like a bridge. If we need good province government, we need to end corruptions. If we end corruptions, province government will develop our country. But if we misuse it, it will harm our country and destroy the development of nations. Thank you.